Want to share about what is depression. This is a definition from Wikipedia that should give you a general overview. Depression is a state of low mood and aversion to activity that can affect a person's thoughts, behavior, feelings, and sense of well-being. People with a depressed mood can feel sad, anxious, empty, hopeless, helpless, worthless, guilty, irritable, ashamed, or restless. They may lose interest in activities that were once pleasurable, experience loss of appetite or overeating, have problems concentrating, remembering details, or making decisions, and may contemplate, attempt, or commit suicide. Insomnia, excessive sleeping, fatigue, aches, pains, digestive problems, or reduced energy may also be present. Depressed mood is a feature of some psychiatric syndromes, such as major depressive disorder, but it may also be a normal reaction to life events, such as grief, a symptom of some bodily ailments, or a side effect of some drugs and medical treatments. This is the Wikipedia definition of depression. I want to thank you for watching this educational video. We have a number of talks about different topics, including depression, here on the channel. And if you like, subscribe, and I wish you a wonderful day.